Hi, fellow students. My name is Carmen Price. The type of agency that I'm doing my field internship at is a community support program, and they work both inside prisons and to help those that have been incarcerated reintegrate into the community. One thing I've really enjoyed working there is that I've gotten to see so many different things and so many different learning opportunities, um, from just regular, individual and group monthly sessions, to crisis intervention, suicide assessments, things like that. And I really enjoy that it's not the same thing every day, all day. So you kind of have something new to learn, and to look forward to each day. One thing that's been a really big challenge working there, we kind of covered in a class that was on social work in prisons, is the kind of sometimes battle between the ethics of social workers and the corrections environment. The corrections environment tends to be very punitive and more about punishment than it does about encouraging or uplifting others. So I found that to be a bit of a struggle in trying to uphold those ethics while working with clients and still remember, what environment we're in and that there's certain rules that you have to follow. So trying to find the balance between those two has been somewhat challenging. But I think overall it'll make me a better social worker. And one thing that I've learned about myself, before coming into this environment, I thought I was a pretty assertive person, that, I kind of stood up for myself. But in working with colleagues, I've learned recently, that I tend to be a little too kind sometimes. And especially in that environment, it seems that kindness sometimes is taken as weakness. So I definitely want to work on using more assertive communication where I'm standing up for myself, but doing so in a respectful manner and not being mean to others. There's definitely a difference between aggressive and assertive communication, and I want to find a balance and be able to use more assertive communication so that others see that I respect myself and my boundaries, while also not coming across as too aggressive. I look forward to meeting all of you, and to those I've met before, I look forward to working with you again. Have a good night.